Hi, we are Avery
and Lindsey,
and today we're going to tell you the differences between cellular respiration and photosynthesis
and how they compare. Cellular respiration, the process of breaking down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into their subunits that can later be used by cells as energy and building materials. In the process of cellular respiration, the biochemical energy from food is converted into adenosine triphosphate, also known as ATP. ATP is necessary for living things to do necessary life functions. In the course of cellular respiration, glucose molecules are gradually broken down into carbon dioxide and water. Cellular respiration starts in a cell's cytoplasm. In the cell's cytoplasm, glucose is broken down through a series of chemical reactions to produce small molecules of a substance called pyruvate. This part of cellular respiration is called glycolysis. This step does not require oxygen and releases a small amount of energy, which is captured by a few ATPs. The pyruvate molecules then enter the mitochondria. Mitochondria are sausage-shaped organelles that act like a digestive system, which takes in nutrients, breaks them down, and creates energy-rich molecules for the cell. Nearly all of cellular respiration takes place in mitochondria. The pyruvate undergo a series of chemical reactions with oxygen. Since so much energy is released in these reactions, it takes many molecules of ATP to capture it all. These reactions also release hydrogen, which combines with oxygen to produce water, and carbon, which combines with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. The water and the carbon dioxide are released as waste products. The ATPs leave the mitochondria and deliver their captured energy to places in the cell where it is needed to power everyday activities.
Photosynthesis, the process plants take to convert carbon dioxide into food. They do this by using the energy derived from the sun. Plants use sunlight to create foods using water and carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis results in the plants creating oxygen and turning a green color due to chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment and its job is to absorb light to provide energy for photosynthesis. Chloroplast is a plastic that contains chlorophyll and in which photosynthesis takes place. The process of photosynthesis is pretty simple. Carbon dioxide enters the leaves and stem of the plant through very small microscopic holes known as stomata. Carbon dioxide is absorbed by the leaves while water enters the plant through its roots. After it's absorbed by the roots, water travels all the way through the stem to reach the leaves where the process takes place. There are two main phases that occur when capturing sunlight. When sunlight makes contact with the leaves, chloroplasts capture the energy a part of it and store it for later use by using ATP. The energy is eventually used to break down water into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is combined with carbon dioxide, which is used by the plant to produce its food, and the oxygen is released into the atmosphere through the stomata. Both cellular respiration and photosynthesis are biochemical reactions that have a crucial role in life on Earth. The products of one product are the reactants of the other. For example, products of photosynthesis, which is glucose and oxygen, are the reactants of cellular respiration. The products of cellular respiration, carbon dioxide and water, are the reactants of photosynthesis.
This very fact forms the basis of the relationship between cellular respiration and photosynthesis.
Before plants are able to go through the process of photosynthesis, they store fat in their seeds. Plants do this as well by transforming leftover carbohydrates and proteins into fat and storing them. This fat is later used up as energy or building materials when it is needed.
In photosynthesis, energy from the sun is used to produce glucose. This glucose is eventually used to produce usable energy during cellular respiration.
Hi, we are Lindsey.
Cellular respiration starts in a cell's cytoplasm. I didn't say that right. Pyruvate molecules then enter the mitochondria. Mitochondria are sausage-shaped organelles that act like a
Plants use sunlight to create foods along with water and carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis usually results in the I should write that out of the script.